Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today, I would like to welcome you in the science class. So, children, today's topic is water animals. Today, we will learn about some more water animals. Today again, we will learn about water animals, some more water animals. So water animals are those animals which stays in the water for most of the time and for their lifetime. They breathe inside the water, they eat also inside the water. Some animals they come on the land, but some they don't come. They stay for forever inside the water. Okay, so first we learned yesterday turtle. Okay, so turtles they have very hard shell and they are very slow to move. Okay, children, they cannot walk very fast, they walk so slow. Turtle they stays inside the water as well as on the land. Okay, children, they stays on both on land as well as in the water. And seal most of the time they stay in the water, but for taking rest or giving birth they come on the land. Okay, children. Another one is dolphin. Dolphin they stays in the water. Okay, they are very friendly and they are very playful. They stays in the water and they breathe with their blowhole, that is top of their head. Another one is starfish. Starfish also are water animals and they have 5 arms. They don't have blood. They don't have blood. Okay, children. So today we will see some more water animals. Children, once again I want to tell you that water animals are those animals. Can you see in the picture? Water animals are those animals who stays in the water for their lifetime. Okay, children, or for some time. Okay, see, these all are water animals. Okay, they stays in the water. And see, seal they come on the land also and they stays on the water. Okay, turtle also, children, crocodile and frog also. Okay, so these all are water animals. Let's see some more water animals. What is this? Can you tell me, children? So this is a snail. It has a soft body. Okay, children, so this one is their body and this is very soft. And you know, children, they don't have legs. Can you see their legs? No, they don't have legs and they are covered with a shell that is very hard. And snails also, they cannot walk very fast or move very fast. They move very slow. So snail, 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 it has a soft body and they don't have legs and their body is covered with a shell and they move very slow. Another one is shark. Can you see a shark? Okay, shark are very large animal, sea animal. Okay, they stays in the water for their lifetime. They cannot stay on the land. So sharks are very large and very dangerous animal, sea fish, and it has very sharp, see, can you see, very sharp teeth. Okay, very sharp teeth and not only one. See, these teeth are very sharp and not only one, they have many sharp teeth. Okay children, so this shark is very dangerous animal, sea fish. Okay children, and next one is octopus. Okay children, so octopus is a sea animal with soft body and 8 long arms. So octopus also have a very soft body. Children, it has a soft body and their arms, they have 8 arms. How many arms do we have? We have only 2, but octopus they have 8. But here we cannot see, I think 8, but it has 8 arms. Okay, like these are their arms. Okay, like this they have 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay children, like this, exactly same like this, they have 8 arms. Okay children, so next one is a prawn. So prawn is a small sea animal with shell and 10 legs. Children, so this prawn, this also have a shell. Okay, and also they are a small sea animal and they have 10 legs. Children, they have 10 legs. So once again I will tell you: prawn, a small sea animal with shell and 10 legs. Another one is fish. So fish is an animal that lives and breathes in the water and swim. Okay children, so fish, they stays for their lifetime inside the water. Okay, and they lives in the water, they breathe, they don't need to come out of the water to breathe, they breathe inside the water and they swim. Okay, they swim in the water. So children, fish is an animal that lives in the water and breathe in water and swim. So children, today we learned about water animals. So children, let's revise once again. So today we are studying about water animals. So let's see what is the water animals and what are the water animals. Now children, I want all of you to look at this picture. So water animals are those animals which stays in the water. Okay children, for their lifetime or for some time. They breathe in the water, they eat inside the water. Some water animals, they stays on the land as well. So let's revise or let's learn once again about some water animals. So first one is a snail. So can you see the picture? Okay, so snail is a sea animal as well as we can find sea on the land. So snails, they are very slow in moving. They cannot walk fast, they walk or move very slow. Their body is covered by a shell, that is their shell. Okay, hard shell, and you know they have a soft body. You can see in the picture, they have soft body as you can see, and they don't have legs. Can you see their legs? No, because they don't have legs. Let's move to the next sea animals. Can you tell me what animal is this? Okay, so this is a shark. Okay, this is a shark. So shark is a large and dangerous sea fish. Okay, it's a very large and dangerous sea fish, and they have lot of sharp teeth. Can you see their teeth? Okay, they have many and very sharp teeth. Okay, they are very dangerous. Let's move to the next one. Can you see what is this? Okay, So this is a sea animal with soft body. Their body is also very soft. Okay, they have a soft body. And you know they have how many? 8 legs. Okay, they have 8 long legs. Okay, you can count. Okay, they have 8 long legs. So next one is a prawn. Okay, prawn is a small sea animal and they also have 10 legs. Okay, they also have a shell. Okay, they are also covered by a shell and they are small sea animal. Next one is a fish. Okay, so this is a fish. So fish is an animal that lives and breathes in water. Okay, they live in the water. They don't come on the land and they breathe in the water. Okay, they eat also inside the water and they swim. Okay, children. So children, today we learn about some water animals. Okay, children. I hope you have understood the lesson. Now I want all of you to write these 5 animals on your notebook. Thank you for listening carefully. Have a good day.